Good morning, family. Good morning. Yeah, I am so excited to be here. And I'm not going to be too long today. Welcome to Denise Crafts. I know I am so excited because every time it would just bring me back memories, but I am going to be well, actually, I spoke about this. I have another page, and I'm going to look at that page today because I do have another page, and I'm fit to see what I'm fit to do with this because I'm thinking about doing something with this page so that we can be blessed with this page. We can come together as a community and be blessed with this page that is been placed on my heart to do. So I'm so excited about that. But like I said, I don't want to take too long today. It's hot day. So we want to enjoy the weather and it's really hot, but let's be careful and enjoying it. You know, it's hot. But I remember I told you it's the two things. The shorts I had, the khaki shorts. Here's the bag. It turned out so cute. Actually, I'm using it for a clip that I'm doing on my what is it? Written and becoming page. And so I'm gonna do this. My written becoming page is my production page, my filming. I have that page written and becoming, and I'm excited about that. And I try to keep me. I'll be doing the clips as I go forward to do my film. So this is the behind the scenes me becoming and doing those clips and stuff that I'm doing today, and I'm excited. I gotta add a few more clips that I did up there, so I'm excited about that page. But this is going to be one of the scenes that I'm going to be doing. And I got to check and see that other scene. But it turned out so nice. And guess what I did? You may recognize some of the fabric, or you may not. I had made a pair of shorts. Remember when I was making the shorts? I stuck a dress in here. But I was going through my drawer, cleaning it out. You know, you do that spring cleaning, see what you're going to keep and give away. And I came across a pair of shorts. I said, it's got a hole in the side. I said, I don't want to do it. And I said, I will recycle it. Yes, I did. I recycled it. I did it for the lining of the bag. I did it. I basically used the whole pair of shorts. I didn't want anything to go to waste. Here is the pockets that I had put it in. You know, I love those pockets. And I put a pocket inside for my inside pocket. And as you can see, I put a pocket on the outside for my outside pocket. So I didn't let it get waste, and I used every bit of the shorts to use this around the waist for the handles because I was like, we gotta have enough fabric to do the handles. I said, no, I thought, hey, it looks cute and adorable. It's a little rugged, but it looks cute and new. I'm looking forward to using it. And I said also that I can wear it this way too. I can flip the side and wear it this way. Use it this way if I wanted to. Because I was thinking, I was like, I like that side. I like this fabric because it was just short and I think it's so cute. But look at here. Flip it inside out. The only thing I gotta do is add another button over here, so I can button it. And there you go. 2 for 1. Whatever you feel like that day, you can flip it. And it's got my favorite color, autumn color. So I'm looking forward to using this. I have a pair of khaki pants. That's going to go great. And it will go great with jeans that I wear. And speaking of, one more thing. Remember the bag I said I wanted to add some character to? It did. It turned out so cute. Look at there. It was straight. I put the elastic in it. Look, it is so adorable. I'm thinking about moving that to down there. It is so adorable. And you know, that's my favorite color, Cora. It is so pretty. It is so cute. It is so cute. I think I used it twice over. It's the summer, so I use it more in the summer. But it is so adorable. And that elastic gave it so much character. I'm just enjoying that. And I'm thinking about doing some of those. I had some fabric. I had made a blanket actually for my niece, and I had something up, and I said, I got to do something with this fabric. Now, pink is not my favorite color, but I said I had enough to make another one of these. I- So that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to use this pink because I have enough for straps and everything. I'm going to make another one of those bags. And I still have those jeans. I used the khaki pants. I have these jeans. And I'm going to make another bag like that one, the favorite bag. And I think I got someone in mind who would like it, would enjoy that bag. One of my daughters, she would enjoy that bag, and so I think I'm gonna use this and make that bag for her and send it back to her. And I'm gonna try to use every part of the jeans. I decided instead of doing I'm gonna try to do the inside and the lining with the jeans, and I think I have enough. And plus, I prep the way I cut it, I have enough to do the straps too. So what I'm gonna try to do, and I think this will be so nice. I'm gonna try to use this bar. I'm gonna use all this and up for the bag and use the bottom for the strap. And I'm gonna use this for the outside. I think that would be so cool to do with that, because like that, the tour look. Oh, you know what? Actually, my sister-in-law may like this bag because she liked the tour jeans and she wear those. I like those jeans too. I have a pair. I have a pair, and I think she may like that. So I'm gonna do that, and it's two on each side, and I'm gonna do, and she may enjoy that. So that just came to me because she likes those tour jeans like that, and she probably have some and have her bag to match it. Yeah, I think that would be cool. So I made either one. I make that for them. So those are what I'm gonna do for that, and these two, and I'm gonna think about what to do with the pink, and who likes the color pink. Like I say, I am enjoying my bag, and I got the buttons. I got the buttons over there, the pink button. I got the highlight ones, and I got the neon ones. That's yes, and that's gonna look nice. So I'm gonna do that bag, and that's what I'm doing in craft. And I'm gonna be moving forward, doing some more craft things. So I'm going to probably be relaunching that page somewhere or another. I'm gonna look at my other website today because I closed that website, but I was gonna change it to Sharon Jones Project. But I may do the craft page. Just keep it as the craft page and relaunch that, and so that we can come together, community, and be blessed together and have some fun at the same time. So I'm thinking about that, but at the same time, I'm that writer, and I'm moving forward with film and production. So I'm thinking about that too. I don't want to be committed to something and then I have to say I can't come show up this week because I need to do that. So I'm thinking about that at the same time, but I am thinking about relaunching because I enjoy sewing. It's my passion. It's big. It's my secret place. So I'm gonna use that and believe that God, if He placing it on my heart to do this, that it will all come together and work together for the good and secret place, and still have that so I can teach you at the same time the importance of a secret place. Please listen to me. These places are so important. These places are where we feel fulfilled and satisfied. God is working on us. God is loving us. We all have these places. Whether you show up in them or not, it's on you. But God give us these places, and they're so important. They are so important. And we have to show up to these places so that we can get loved on. And we need that. And we all have them. We all have them. And so it's so important. And I just want you to get in the habit of finding your places, discovering your places, show up, you feel fulfilled and satisfied so you can deal with the difficulties, so we can be the overcomer He wants us to be, so that we can live successfully and effectively here on earth and deal with everyday lives, because sometimes we need these places to help structure us and so that we can become. So it's so important. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So it's so important. I'm not gonna take up too much of your time. I want you to enjoy your day. Be blessed. Show up, and I'll go in more into details of this. Grace and peace and abundance. Bye bye for now.